AAA Pest Control. Today we're in front of this house here where we're doing a bed bug treatment with heat. Our goal today is to circulate 138, 140 degree heat inside of this structure. We have a bunch of floor fans moving the air around all throughout the house. And walk with me and I'll show you how it works. Here we have our main heater. This heater is going to be up to about 200 degrees. Thus, at the end of that, heating up the room, we want the room to get to 140 degrees, where then we hold it for about 4 hours to get a bed bug kill and the eggs. So in here, this half of the house, we have this ductwork running into the bedrooms with some floor fans. Once that's come up to temperature and we're able to actually get a kill in there, we move this system onto the living room out here, where we have floor fans set up in different areas that'll push the heat around, and we continuously heat up this structure. All in all, this job will probably take us about 6 or 7 hours today, and we'll go through after we're done with the heat. We'll put down some crossfire for a liquid, residual, and continuous protection.
Hi, if you want your bugs to stay away, you call AAA.